we will enter into a small meditation technique to forget the boundary, to remove the unnecessary stress collected by you, unnecessary toxins collected by you. An important thing. Just like a blood clot, there is one thing called energy clot which happens in your system. Blood clot happens if there is something wrong in your body. Energy clot happens if there is something wrong in your emotional system. Now we will enter into a meditation technique to melt, to clear the energy clots and to remove the unnecessary toxins and to awaken the body intelligence. In this meditation you are going to do 2 steps. First is, you are going to tense your body as much as possible to its peak, step by step. Step by step you are going to create the maximum possible tension so that the energy clots which is created in you will be released. The energy clots will be released. And second thing, we will go step by step from toe to head, part by part. Pressurize or tense as if that portion will burst. As if the portion will burst. Go deep, step by step, till the head. And after that, from head to toe we are going to come. This is the second step, is the important step. This is from Yoga Sutra. This step is important technique from Yoga Sutra. According to Yoga Sutra, every part of your body is breathing. Understand? According to medical field, only your nose is breathing. According to Yoga Sutra, every part of your body is breathing. Every part of your body is intelligent to take the prana shakti directly from the air. It takes energy directly from the air and directly it relates with the existence. That is why in India yogis, they sit under the underground for 2 years, 3 years. I have seen a guy who sat in the underground for 1 year. Neither food nor water or air. Totally glass case. Tight sealed glass case. He sat under that 1 year. I asked, how at least he breathes? He said, we don't know, Swamiji. Then he came to the ashram, our ashram. He's after all a yogi, not enlightened. So he heard about me and he came to take my blessings. Then I asked him, how do you do this? He said, Swamiji, Yoga Sutra is this technique, Swamiji. The technique which you are going to do now. According to this technique, it is not only the technique, it is a truth. According to Yoga Sutra, every part of your body has got intelligence to take energy directly from the sky, from the ether. See, understand? A plant, a normal plant, when this can produce its food directly from the air, can't your body produce? Your body is much more intelligent system. Much more intelligent system. Can't it produce? It can. Only thing, we have not made our body alive. We have not allowed our body to do it. We have not given so much of understanding to our body to do it. The second level technique, you are going to breathe through every part of the body. Understand? Important thing. Your head should breathe separately, inhale and exhale. Your eyes should inhale and exhale. Step by step, part by part. Visualize actually as if your body is separately inhaling and exhaling. That part of your body is separately inhaling and exhaling. Feel the same thing, step by step, part by part, throughout the body. Feel that portion has become empty, porous. For example, head means feel that head has become porous. every hair hole, through hair hole, you are inhaling and exhaling. Shrink or expand that area. Feel it is shrinking or expanding along with the inhaling and exhaling process. Step by step, your whole body should inhale and exhale. This will awaken your innate body intelligence. First step which you need to understand, tensing and cleansing. By tensing, you are cleansing toxins and energy clots. Next thing, by inhaling and exhaling, breathing through every part of your body, you are awakening the intelligence, innate intelligence of body. You are awakening innate intelligence of your physical system.